nasa loob ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ sumuko.
Compound.
Doon po mismo sumuko.
Yes po.
Apo.
Sa loob po ng KOJC compound po natin sila na po.
Once and for all, nakikinig ang sambayan ng Pilipino, hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas sa mga kababayan natin, buong mundo nakatunghay at nakamasid po sa update na ito. What's the real score for having Pastor Quiboloy came out at ano ba? Surrender huli at anong tamang kwento as the lawyer beside him when the news broke out yesterday. Go ahead po, Atty. Torio.
Well, it was really a surrender, no? It was really a surrender kasi hindi naman talaga siya nakita ng mga pulis, no? Right after nung meron kasing text message from a high police officer na gloves off na daw at kung sino mang haharang, dadakpin. Ako, meron nang designated na police officer na dadakpin, no? Worried na worried si Pastor noon because he did not want the situation really to escalate. And he wanted to check on his people and whether, ito version lang talaga ito sa katotohanan, ha? Na he had to check on his people. So galing sa bundok, no? Whether you believe it or not, pumasok siya ulit dun sa compound to check on his followers, and he informed them, no, na he has to surrender, this has to end, no, and ang kapakanan daw ng kanyang mga miyembro ang pinaka-importante, no, and he even checked on his people. Kaya yung sabi ni General Torre na nandyan lang yan si Pastor, naglalakad-lakad lang yan. Hindi yung totoo until September 7 onwards. Kasi nalaman ko nga yung na nandyan na sa loob si Pastor September 8 kahapon lang morning. No? That's the truth about it. No? So he decided to surrender to end the not to worsen the situation further. May namatay na, marami nang nasugatan, yung kanyang cathedral na desecrate na, yung